Hi, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a 3-ingredient apple spice cake. And this is an easy recipe and it's very delicious. So let me get started. Here is the spice cake mix that I'm using. It's Betty Crocker. And so I'm just going to add the mix in. Okay, I'm going to be using this apple pie filling. And this is a good recipe, and it's got 3 ingredients in it. And so the next step is I'm going to be adding my eggs in. And then you just mix. Okay, I have my cake mixture mixed up, and I'm going to put it in my 9 by 13 inch pan. And I'm going to spray it first. Okay, now I have my pan sprayed. Put my batter in my cake pan. Okay, I have my cake batter in the pan, and I'm going to be cooking it at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, my cake is cooling, and so I'm going to be making icing, and if you don't want to make the icing, you can just put Cool Whip on top of it. So my first step is to put my butter and brown sugar in my bowl. Okay, now I'm going to be putting in my brown sugar and my cinnamon and vanilla. I'm going to beat it until it's fluffy. And I'm going to gradually beat in my powdered sugar. And this is 3 cups of powdered sugar. it's just a little thicker than I want, so I'm going to add just a little bit of milk. And there's 2 tablespoons over here. So I'm just going to add it until I get the right consistency. Okay, I think that's the consistency that I want, and I'll scrape down the sides. Okay, so I'm going to cover this with saran wrap until my cake cools. As soon as my cake completely cools, I'll come back and put the icing on it. Okay, I'm back, and my apple spice cake has cooled off, and so I'm going to put my icing on top. That I whipped up with brown sugar and cinnamon and vanilla until it was fluffy, and butter. It really has a great smell. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to be doing a Chick-fil-A copycat chicken salad sandwich, and so we're going to have a piece of this apple spice cake with it, and so but we're going to have a piece of it tonight too.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of brown sugar on top. Okay, Calvin, I'll cut us a piece and do the taste test.
I'm ready. It looks very delicious. Can't wait to try it. Made mine a small piece. I'm supposed to be on a diet.
Okay, that's a small piece right there.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to try some of this apple spice cake that Marie just made. It really looks good. I like that. That's real good, Marie. Oh, you're going to love it when you try it. That's good. Get you a piece and try a piece.
Okay. Yes, I like this recipe. Very good. Love what you do, and do what you love, and have a great afternoon. Bye.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here